For sure, everybody of us know this problem. We have filament roll and only a little bit of filament is left on it. What to do with that rest now? And this is the point today in this video. What can we do with this little part of filament? Welcome to this video and have fun watching it. The first and really interesting part I found is this little cable holder or cable clip. You can sort now your cables by an easy way, only to move it over the cable and place it somewhere tidy, instead of having a mess up like this. The clips are available in different sizes, so you can very easily sort different kind of cables, and of course you have different kind of volumes of filament you need. If you have only a small volume of rest filament, then you print the small one. If you have bigger rest, take the big one. The smallest holder do have a weight of 3 grams. The mid-size cable clip do have 4 grams. And the big one is near to 5 grams. Have you ever seen that little parts here? Let's put 2 of them on the scale. Yeah, it's still too less, huh? So maybe it's around 1 or 2 grams. So very, very less and extremely easy to print. But what is it? This little object do have 2 holes. A big one on the back side and a small one on the other. By simply putting filament through that little object, and now you put in a little bit of foam into it, and you can be sure that your filament is in future completely free of dust before it goes inside the heat break and inside the nozzle. This reduces the possibility of a clogged nozzle. This little part is one of my favorites. 10 of them do have a weight of 6 grams. And if you ever was annoyed that the filament part is too far away from the next holes, then you will love this little part. Because you only need to put in your filament into that little part and next to it the end of the filament line. That's it. Everything's organized perfect. Didn't this filament rolls with cable clip don't look much more nicer instead of the filament rolls which don't have the cable clip at all? At my opinion, this is a very nice print job for the end of the roll.
Did you ever had a toothpaste squeezer? No? Then it's time to print one. With this little toothpaste squeezer, you can easily clean up and empty your toothpaste tube, or your soap tube, your glue tube, your cream tube, or any other tube. I designed different kind of squeezers with a different look and different weight. The lightest one do have a weight of 4 grams. The mid-sized one do have a weight of 6 grams. And the heaviest one have a weight of 8 grams. All of them easy and fast to print. Do you also like the look of this box clip? I really love them. And have a look to the Thingiverse website. I have linked to the video description. You will find much more of that kind of clips. There are shark clips, Z-Rex clips, cat clips, crocodile clips, eagle clips, cat clips, scorpion clips, and a lot of other things. Have a look to it. Beautiful. 5 of them do have a weight of 6 grams. They are really awesome. Easy to print, quick to print, just brilliant. They are absolutely strong enough to hold a few papers together, to point something on a paper, or to pin photos somewhere.
An effective zipper must not be the end of life of the bag. Must not be the end of the life of a bag. It's absolutely annoying and something to improvise don't look very nice. And something improvised do not really look nice. 3 of them are still too light to show something on my scale. I think they will have 2 or 3 grams maximum. And here's the solution. A new zip toggle. To repair it, you only need to stick the 2 parts together, push in the blocker inside the zip toggle, and that's it. You need a whistle? No problem at all. Print one. It only costs you 3 grams of filament. And I can guarantee you it's unbelievable loud if you really blow heavy inside to it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I was able to give you some ideas what you can do with the end of the roll. Yeah, if you liked the video, thanks to give me some thumbs up. If you like to see me again, push the subscribe button, hit the bell, and don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you very much. See you next time. Happy printing. Bye bye.